Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the essentials: an updated iPhone, Apple ID, and wallet. First, gather your SSN, income details, and a photo ID so verification is fast. Open Wallet and tap the plus, choose Apple Card, and start the application. This initiates the credit check and identity verification. Once done, accept the card terms and set a billing address. Make sure to complete identity confirmation promptly so approval and digital card issuance happen without delays. Once approved, add the digital Apple Card to Wallet to start using it immediately for Apple Pay. You can order the titanium card for merchants that require a physical card. It arrives within days. Next, configure daily cash preferences, push notifications, and card controls like spending limits or merchant blocks to stay in control. Make sure to enable Face ID or Touch ID for transactions, and check Wallet's transaction breakdown to understand interest and payment impacts as you spend. You finish by choosing payment habits. Enable autopay to avoid late fees or make manual monthly payments, and aim to pay the full statement to avoid interest. Review statements in Wallet to track categories and maximize 3%/2%/1% daily cash rewards for eligible purchases. If the card won't show or a payment is declined, first update iOS and Wallet, confirm your region and billing info, then contact Apple support or the card issuer to resolve holds or verification problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.